This one's a little bit hard, but I'm gonna try to do it. The basic gist, what you need is you need to say declare a main, and you need a few things here. Body, this guy. We can actually also set down the root, right? That might work, we'll see. Grid, let's say, that works. Next we need for the well, let's just set it to this guy for starters. That's the height is right, but width should be. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, and then height is not correct. It'll be. Nope. We have to go for the length. I think black. I think black. Okay. So we'll say if equals full or ID we can do a class full. Right, oh, God, my typing. Another div. Setting here. Here we need a div. So we'll do something here. We'll do it. Well, not white of actually the color that goes in the center mostly of it. And we'll see. State all pixels. And then we're gonna go ahead and say columns all one fr call one fr. That's definitely too small. We'll figure the right number. I think it's 2 times it, right? T. Yep, is the answer there. I'll do right, so we have this thing. Our background is gradient of this guy or one. That's one, right? And let's go ahead and just put a line on that guy so that it'll wrap over. And put this guy. That's one. That's two. Oh, not. Oh. this is the original, so I was going to say, oh, we can't do that. It's going to be the original color, which is this guy. And once again, oh, it's always this guy, never this guy. 1, 2. Dark light, dark light, dark light, dark, dark light, dark light. Like, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 10%. 2. Yes, 1 pixels. Yes, 2. We'll say S3. 20 pixels. S7. 1 times S1. 6 will be for S7 minus 10 pixels. 5 will be S7 minus 20 pixels. And say just 6%. And I think there's a problem, so we'll just figure that out, why that's a problem. Oh, there's a comma at the end. I think that's the problem. We need to say read. The 10 pixels we'll say. We'll go ahead and say 60 pixels, 70 pixels, 80 pixels, 400 pixels. Alright, so we can go ahead and do this if we wanted to. It's just useless. Only reason why I wanted to do it is I didn't want to allow you to change both. I would have to change both just to get that. I knew what, like, what is it called? 10 pixels off like that. I could we have to kind of next we have to say dot, what is it, dot poll of and then height. Perhaps that was the okay. So now we have this thing. So what we'll do is we'll do display grid. It'll be grid template columns of one FR 5 pixel bar and last grid column to great. Now and equals content. We'll just say that. Go on. Oh, we gotta use the divs hierarchy, not span. So see why in a moment. Okay. Inside each of these contents, we need a div class equals square. Okay. For this guy, we're gonna do it this grid. Make sure we can see those guys. Oh, okay, there we go. That, so I was gonna say that makes no sense. Okay. Instead of display grid, we'll say grid template rows will be 10 pixels, 10 pixels, bar 10. First, first child will be row 2, 3, right, and then last child grid row minus 3 minus 2, and then dot where round. Almost. I don't know what's the thing with these top squares. Oh, there's not enough squares. Oh, that's the reason. There we go. Now we can just remove that black background. Where's it? Here. Since it's exactly, we're just exact, you know, you see there's no diff, right? We should get 100% score. Yep. Now this is probably not the right solution. Maybe here, like I was thinking I would have a, what do you say? For this poll, I was gonna have, not the poll, the content, have a background, same way I did this, but I was like, that's not worth my time. And this one, I purposely did as a background because there's gonna be, you know, 1, 2, 3 items. The other option is display, grid, or whatever. This is a background, and there's another item that is 50 pixels wide, right? Another 50 pixel wide thing here. And that is a grid or a repeating linear gradient or linear gradient or something like that. That would be the way you'd do that. Right, but I was like, nah, I am gonna go with the easy part. So like, okay, here we go. We gotta. Most people might say, this whole thing, there's a, you know, this whole thing is actually filled in with this lighter color. Position absolute left, right. Let it stick out the top. Center it, right. Or maybe they'll just position everything absolutely all there. Nothing is nested within this thing called main. I always do the main because it helps me. Because now I'm stuck within there, right? If I put a position relative on the main, and I can stick myself. I will go relative to the main, so either of two things, 0 up top and left, or any given size, 0 up bottom and right, whatever, they will not exceed the space. That's the main reason. Yeah.